Get ready for some electrifying tech drama straight from the heart of China. On a bustling day in Shanghai, under the gleaming Apple logo, a man gazes at his phone, but little does he know that a seismic tech showdown is about to unfold. Apple's Chinese escapade is turning into a roller coaster ride. Geopolitical storms are brewing, and the economy isn't quite the fireworks show everyone expected. But wait, there's a plot twist. The tech world is buzzing about a triumphant return by Huawei, defying U.S. sanctions with a groundbreaking semiconductor coup. This newfangled chip, cooked up by China's semiconductor giant SMIC, is making Washington squirm. They're scratching their heads, wondering how on earth this happened when both Huawei and SMIC are on Uncle Sam's tech blacklist. Huawei, Apple, and Samsung are the chosen few with their very own smartphone processors. Huawei's masterpiece was brought to life by Taiwan's Semiconductor Manufacturing Co., but thanks to the export restrictions, Huawei couldn't tap into American tech anymore. Cue the shockwave when the Mate 60 Pro, Huawei's latest creation, dropped in China, sporting a chip cooked up by SMIC, a firm that's not exactly leading the tech pack. Hold on, how did they pull this off amidst all those heavy sanctions? Huawei's new chip, the Kirin 9000S, is the secret sauce, blending processor wizardry with a dash of 5G magic. While Huawei hasn't spilled the beans about 5G, reviews suggest it's the Usain Bolt of smartphones, sprinting at 5G speeds. Here's the nerdy part. SMIC crafted this gem using a 7-nanometer process. The smaller the transistor, the mightier the chip. Imagine packing more punch in every chip. SMIC struggled with 7nm tech due to missing equipment, but guess what? They did it without the pricey EUV machines they needed. But wait, there's a catch. While SMIC made these chips, the process might not be as efficient as it could be. There's a magical word in the chip-making realm called yield, and if it's low, that means costly and inefficient chip-making. So, can SMIC cook up enough chips for Huawei's grand plans? Now, Washington's tech wizards are rattled. The U.S. Department of Commerce wants to know more about Huawei's chip, and the export strategy might need a major overhaul. Will they tighten the screws even more? Meanwhile, in a plot twist, Chinese government staff have been told to ditch foreign-branded phones, which could shake up the smartphone market even more. But here's the grand finale. Apple's got more than just geopolitical tension to worry about. Huawei's tech prowess could steal the show in China, thanks to its premium brand and national pride. Peace out.